Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I will walk you through how to make the most of the areas of life templates. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to navigate the key features, customize it to suit your needs, and get started quickly. So let's dive in and help you make the most of your new tool. Here we have the dashboard of the template with a widget, a clock widget, quick actions buttons, and the navigation bar, all of those things on the left, and the main parts of the template, the areas of life on the right. So if you want to add if you want to add a new area, a new goal, a new task, you just click on this button here. And if you want to access the details of the pages, you just click on them also here. We have below it, we have a list, a section for the active tasks. We could see them by priorities. We can see them also by goals like this, and also we can see them by areas. So for each area we can see the list of tasks that we have also a calendar view for the tasks. We can reschedule our task from here like this. It's weekly and monthly, so we can always see the task ahead. We have also the a view for the active goal. So I will explain it, all the details inside an area, so you can understand. So for example, if we go to the career and business area, right, and we click on it, inside, we will find a template related just to this area with goals and tasks related just to this area of life. So we have the quick actions on the left. If you want to go back to the dashboard, you just click on this. If you want to add a new goal related to this area, we just click on it, and also for the same for the tasks. This is a rating that you can change it. You can change it from here, and I will explain it also. You will find it on the wheel of life. So, and this is your goal status, and this is the name on the chart. So I will show you later the name on the chart in the wheel of life. So we have a view for our active goal here, and we could have, if you want to create a goal, we could click on the button here, or just on new page from here like this, and then we change the status of the goal. We have, this is the current status of the goal, not started, and research in progress, paused, and done. So you could choose the status that works for you. So let's say it's in progress, the priority, and then we click on this button here to log the start date of the goal. So by logging the start date of the goal, once we click on the end button later, on complete, we can have an idea of the duration, the total time spent on on this goal. So we click on the start button here, right, and we will find our goal below on the here in a view with the name goals duration. So in this goal duration, it will show us the current, we have two view, the current time spent and the view for the completed goal. So in this view, current time spent, right? If we click here on refresh time, it will show us here the current time spent till now in months and days. So like this. So, and the same thing for this goal here. So each time you want to see the current time spent, you need to click here on refresh time, just like this. Just click one time, and then you can see the current time spent. Once the goal is completed, you just click on the completed button here, right? And you will find your goal here on the completed goal view, with the hours spent and also the months and days spent till now. And you can archive your goal from here by clicking this button here, like this. Once the goal is archived, you will find it here on the archived goals. So, and also like for a goal, you could create sub goals. For each goal, you can create sub goals. So, for example, if we create a goal like this, if we add a new goal, we can have the goal on a full page format. So, if we click on it, we give it a name, right? Uh, let's say this one, example one. So, and we fill out the information. Hi, this is another way to add goal. We could add it the way I just showed you by clicking on plus new, or we could use the button and we choose a start date. So you can either click on this button here manually or choose a start date. So it's up to you. So if I click this, it will automatically log the date with the exact time, and the status will change automatically to in progress. And inside it you have a task database related to this code. So what you can do is like creating new task from the inside, right? And you link the task to to the area of life in question, and then you add the priority of the task and then the due date, like this. So the task will be automatically related to this goal, and you can create as many tasks as you want. So for this particular goal, so the list is loading. So let's choose it again, and then hi, and then and you can see for this one it's due tomorrow. This one it's due in the next 2 days, and you have here a task progress. So once you accomplish a task like this one, right? This bar will be updated automatically, and you can see the list of your completed task here on the completed task view. You can also take notes from here. So if you want to go back to the area in question, you can find it in this navigation bar, or you could just click on homepage to go to the homepage. So we were on career and business. So let's go back there. So, and as you see here, we have the task progress of this one is our example goal here. So if we want to create sub goal or micro goal to this macro goal, we just click, you see this triangle here, we just click on it, and then we click on new sub item like this and choose the priority, right? And then click on the search button here. So if we click on the search button, the status will automatically change to in progress, like this. And we could create as many sub goal as we want, like this. So, and once, if we want to create tasks for this sub goal, we just click on open here, open as a page, right? And inside we create the tasks like I just showed you. We choose the career and the priority and the due date, and we could create as many tasks as we want for that particular sub goal. So now we could go back to the career and business area, and you can see that you have this macro goal, so the example one, and if you click on the triangle, you can see the sub goals, and also for the sub goals you could have another sub goals. So to have the time on the right, the time spent, you just click on the refresh time, and it will be updated here. And each time you want to check it, you just click on this button here. And once the goal is completed, you just click on completed here, and then you can see that this for inside example one, the color will be different, but if you click on the triangle, you can see that the sub goal is completed here. And for this one, it's still in progress. Here you can see the goals tasks. So for each goal, you can see the task inside it, like you see here, today's. So this is for the today uh, tasks, and this is for the upcoming tasks. So, and you can also see a calendar view of your tasks here, a weekly one where you can reschedule the task, like this one. So as you see, it will show this view here will show the goals tasks and this the upcoming tasks. You can also, if you want to see, you have hidden groups here. If you click on it, this one, so for the tasks that have no goal. So you could click on show group. So, and you can see the task with no goal inside here. So for example, if we create a normal task like this one, we could affect it, link it to a goal, choose the priority, the category, the due date, all from the inside. And as you see, it will appear in this section like a task with no goal in here. So if you want to hide this view here, just click on this three button here and then on hide group. And then click on this. This view here, the active task by areas, you can see them on the home page. You have this calendar view, so you can just drag and drop to change the date, and you have a list of your archived goals. Now you could go back to the home page, right? We could also, if you want, like as I just said, you could create a task, and you could link it to a goal just from here. Uh, it doesn't have to be always from inside the goal. You can also create a task and choose the goal that you want to link it to it. Then if we go back to the dashboard here, we will have our areas inside it. So it's loading, like we see, and it's the same thing for all the areas. So for the admin, friend and family, physical, mental health. So it's the same structure inside. Also, so this is a list for the active tasks, as you see, the tasks by priorities, by goals, and also a view for the task by areas. If you want to add a new task, you just click also on this button here. And here, the calendar view for the task. If you want to see the completed task after click on, if you don't want to see the completed tasks, meaning if you check done, you don't want to see them, you just click on this filter here and then on done, and then done is unchecked like this. So I will set up this filter here. So if you want to remove it, you just click on here and then on clear. So I will make it for both monthly, weekly and monthly. So like this, you will just see the active task. The completed task, you can review them in the tasks page. I will show you later. And for the active goals, we have them here. We have them by area. So like you see here for the career and business area, we have two goal and two macro goal. If we open them, we have one sub goal for example one and two sub goal for this macro goal. And we could always refresh the time here. If you want to check just the time spent till now, you just click on refresh time like this, and it will be auto refreshed, updated here. You could also see the progress of the goal based on the completed tasks. So this was the main dashboard. If we go to the task manager page, we have the view for the active tasks. So the same thing, tasks by goal, tasks by areas, and the completed tasks, where the task here will be grouped monthly, so you can review them in here. So you have an overview. So for today, you can see the completed task for today, for the past months, and you have a monthly view like this one. And then you could just click on this triangle here so you can hide the completed task. If you want to delete them, you can click on here, this three button, and then on delete, and then you close. So now we are going to the dashboard. We go back to the dashboard to explore the goals tracker page. So inside the goals tracker page, it's the same concept. We have the active goal by area, the completed goals here. We can archive them like you see here by clicking on this button here. So for example, if we want to archive this goal, you just click on it, and then we should archive also the micro goal, so for the goal to disappear like this. And you will find it here on the view of the archived goals. Also, if you want to delete the goal, you just click on it like this and then on delete. And this button here, if you want to refresh the time spent. So it will refresh this section here. Now we go back to the home page again, and let's go to the Wheel of Life page. So in the Wheel of Life, you have all a list of your areas here. So the page is loading. So, and which you can, for each area, you could rate it on 10. So to rate it, you just click on it and change this number here. So, and you can see it will be updated here on the chart. So this chart here will give you like a quick overview of the areas that need your attention, the areas that need some more works on it. So to have this chart here, so you need to have Notion give you one chart for free, and if you have more than one chart, then you need to go to the paid version, the Notion Pro version, to have more than one chart. So it's up to you to choose if you want to upgrade to have this chart like this, or it's okay for you like just to read them from here. So it's up to you. Now we could go to the dashboard again and go to the habits tracker page. So in the habits tracker page, you have your daily habits from here. So if you want to create a new daily habits, you just click on this button here, right? And it will be auto created here. If you want to set up your habits to be created automatically, right? You just click on this button here, right? And then on edit here, and then on repeat, right? And then you choose repeat daily like this, and then you choose save. And like this daily habits will be added automatically to your database. So we just need to so it's like this. So if you want them to be automatically repeated, now they are set. So if you want to remove this one, you just click on it and then on off. So it's up to you. Then you have here your daily habits, right? So inside you have the date and you have your habits. So if you want to rename them, just click on here on rename, and then change the name from here. You delete and change the name. If you want to add new habits, you just click on right click on the habits, and then on duplicate property, and then change the name of the habit to none. And if you want this habit to appear, like because you won't see it here, you just click on this button here, the new added habit to appear. You just click the three button here, and then on property, and then on habit 9, you just see this eye here, you just click on it, and then you drag it below habit 8, like this. And also, by the way, if you add new habit, you need to update this progress bar here. So I will show you. So if you add a new habit, you have to change to make. You click on habits checked, and you see here +2 number. You just highlight this one. You just first click on plus, add a plus here, and then just copy this one here, right? Copy it, and then paste it here. And you see this habit 8, you just place the mouse here and delete it. Just click on backspace and choose from the list here habit 9, and then on save, like this. And also you need to update this one here. Just click on here and then click on backspace, and then on 9 you just update it to the number of habits that you have, like this. So, and this progress will be updated. So also, if you delete any habits, you need to delete them from these two formulas here. So let's say we delete the habits number 9, and then we click on delete, right? So we need to delete it from here too. We hit backspace, and then on save, and then update the number of habits here on the progress to 8. It's pretty simple, like this. And we have a calendar view where we can review our completed habits daily, like this. You can see our progress. And we have this Notion chart, so it gives you an overview of your evolution of your habits completion rate. So also, if you have two, as I said before, if you have two then more, if you have more than one chart, you need to upgrade your Notion just to the basic paid version. It will give you access to have more than one chart. So it will give you, once you keep updating this, it will give you more insights. So for example, if you have habits here, and then we check the habits like this, so you can see that the chart will be updated automatically. So you can see your evolution. You can have some insights about your habits completion rate each day. So that was the habits tracker page. So now we can go back to the dashboard, and we have the last page. It's just for instructions. So if you have like any questions, or you find some problem like to set up your account, you could get here and see how you could set up the account, like this. The same thing, it gives you like some instruction about how to manipulate every section of the template with pictures, of course, like how to add new goal, new sub goal, how to link the task to a goal or the area. So you don't have to worry. It's you will have it all inside. So even if you don't understand anything now, you can just get to the instructions page and check the area where you have the problem. So as you see. So I hope my explanation was clear for you. And remember, if you have also if you face any problem, you can always uh, get here to the instructions page, and you will find. I hope you will find your answer inside. So thank you again for your purchase, and enjoy using the template.